Hey, how are you? You doing good? Really? Really? Okay, good. Glad to hear it. Anyways, my name is Sam. Obviously, if you don't know that by now, you should probably know that by now. But I am the safety supervisor here at Meiborg, and welcome to Safety Update. I do this every week, and so if you have missed some weeks, go back, watch some of the previous ones. I give a ton of fantastic detail and insight in previous videos. So if you haven't seen them all, go back and watch them. If you have seen them all, God bless you, okay? That's fantastic. And thank you very much. Again, I've gotten a lot of feedback and I've gotten a lot of questions and whatnot, and we're getting to that. So anyways, but we have some great news that's been happening around here. First off, I just want to say we have a new HR administrator. Her name is Aaron Scutter. I want to say it's Scutter. Please, I think that's it. And she is our new HR admin. So she's in my office, the office that me and Bill work in. You guys probably all know where that is, at 11th Street, where the shop is. So if you haven't met her yet, which you probably haven't because she's like brand new. If you haven't met her yet, make sure you swing in and introduce yourself to her and welcome her to the company. Don't inundate her with a ton of HR questions just yet. Still kind of getting her feet under her. We'll give her basically till the end of this week and then it's all on her own. But no, just kidding. But make sure you introduce yourself to her. And if you do have questions now going forward about HR, she would be the one that would have the answers for you eventually. Maybe not today, but she'll get there. So please welcome Aaron next time you're over at 11th Street, okay? Also, as you know, that this week is Thanksgiving, or if you're Canadian, it's Boxing Day. Isn't Boxing Day? No, sorry, that's after Christmas. Never mind. I'm sorry, Canadians. I don't know anything about you. Anyways, this week, Thanksgiving here in America. And I just want to wish you guys all a happy Thanksgiving, first off, because I might not see all of you before then. But if you are coming through either Harrison office or 11th Street, make sure that you swing by and pick up a special Thanksgiving Day treat. We have your turkey, we have your mashed potatoes, and we have your green beans. Okay, and these are all in the fridge. They're there for you to take. Just, don't take all of them, just take one. But those are there for you. That's a little token of our appreciation. We appreciate what you guys do out there. And so all the upper people here at the company have spent time making this. James is out there. We had Eric was all out there. I mean, everybody was out there making these, especially for you. There is also slices of pie in the fridge too. And I would show you that, except a weird thing happened. In between the refrigerator and where I filmed this, my piece of pie disappeared. Don't know what happened there. Anyways, but there's pie down there. I believe there's apple pie. There's probably some pumpkin pie, maybe even pecan. Don't hold me to that. But I know I saw apple and I know I saw pumpkin in there. So feel free to grab one, okay? If you're swinging through the office, they're in the refrigerators, and grab one, and just thank you for that. So anyways, moving on. I don't have a dash cam film review or a typical dash cam film review this week. What I do want to show you though is what I am actually thankful for in the dash cams. So what you are probably seeing right now is not much. It's just trucks driving down the road. Well, I just want to say that I am very thankful for these trucks driving down the road, okay? I'm very thankful for these dash cam videos that show nothing except good driving. Okay, I know during this time we usually look at incidences that are happening or obstacles to watch out for, but this is what I'm thankful for. And I like to joke around a lot on this safety update, but this truly, seriously, this is what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for safe drivers who treat the equipment well, who drive the equipment well, and who pick up and deliver on time safely, okay? I know we just had trucker appreciation week or day or whatever it was, but I truly am thankful for all the sacrifices that you guys make out there on the road, guys and girls. I'm not excluding anybody here. You guys do a ton of sacrifices out there on the road. You are one of the most heavily scrutinized employees in people's minds. You have so many regulations, you have so many rules that you have to abide by, and you do it well. And we put on millions of miles safely because you guys take your job seriously and you guys do your job very well. And so I am just truly thankful for what you guys do out there. Like I said, the sacrifices that you make, the safe miles that you drive. I know it's not easy. I know there's a lot of headaches that are involved with it. I know sometimes I'm the source of those headaches, and I apologize sometimes. But truly, truly, thank you. I thank you for everything that you do out there. I thank you that you guys do it well, okay? I know as a safety guy, that's my job to make sure you do it, and you do. You really do. I've been part of some companies where it gets a little scary sometimes seeing some of this stuff, but these really boring dash cam videos where you guys are just driving down the road safely is absolutely wonderful, okay? So I am thankful for that this Thanksgiving and every Thanksgiving. You know, I realize that even this food that we got here, none of it just magically appeared. It had to come from somewhere. It came off of a truck somewhere, and you guys are the ones that drive that. Maybe you didn't do the turkey and stuff, but you guys are the ones that are really, truly moving America all over the place. So I am thankful that you guys are out there on the road making the sacrifices and driving safely out there. And I know I can speak for everybody here at the company when I say that we as a company are truly thankful for all that you guys do out there on the road, safety-wise and other things. So thank you very much. I hope you guys really have a great Thanksgiving, whether you're celebrating it this weekend or next weekend, or you celebrated it last weekend, whatever. Or if you're Canadian, you don't celebrate this at all. But I don't think we have any Canadians on the team here anyway. So, but have a great Thanksgiving, everybody. Of course, drive safe. And if you do have questions or comments, I always have my contact information below here. Feel free to reach out to me. And yeah, have a great Thanksgiving.